Okay, Matt, this is what it looks like when the bees are feeding on sugar water. Now I've got 2 trash cans out, and so that's about 70 gallons of water. They've taken it down once already. It's Saturday. I put it out Friday. Excuse me. And so it's now Friday evening about 5 o'clock, and they had it yesterday about 5 or 6. So they've taken down 70 gallons of water, plus this will be another 70. And most of it will be gone by next week. And sometimes what happens is this sugar just kind of loses its, I don't know, sweetness, I guess, or something. The water's just not sweet enough for them. But yeah, so this is what's happening with a lot of bees. And I'm currently not wearing a shirt. I'm wearing shorts. I'm not going to show you, but that's currently the way I'm dressed. And they're not bothering me at all. And here's how it looks. Now the way that I do it is I fill up with sugar water from the top. It's about 25 gallons, and then here on the bottom I put a valve in with a ball valve and an electrical waterproof connector, and I just open that up, and that's how I fill it, because it doesn't bother the bees too much, and it's pretty easy to do. So, and then when it's full again, which it almost is, then I'll just turn it off. Pretty cool, huh?